old familiar book, finding that I cannot find my place. Say to me I'll leave again. The promises, some hope or bad hope, it all sits the same with me. So take what you want, you won't take more. Take what you want, you won't take more. You won't take what you know you really need. You say that I'm not fussed no more. Say maybe that I am marking time. The doors and situations seem unhinged. Don't open up, don't let yourself be mine, mine, mine. Say to me you can't leave him. You're still in love, always love. Bad chance, always slim chance. It all sits the same with me. So take what you want, you won't take more. Take what you want, you won't take more. You won't take what you know you really need. I'll lie with you and I'll hold you in the dark. I'll make you laugh or want to cry. Make your life feel like it's fun again. But it's not the same. It's part-time. This goes. I remember how it felt to sparkle. I remember why we can't do this no more. I can't take this in my stride. Not this time, not this time. But don't have strength to leave you. You still mean so much to me. Take what you want, you won't take more. Take what you want, you won't take more. You won't take what you know you really need. And you won't take me. You won't take me. You won't take me.